A long time ago, snakes were really big, so they can just squeeze and kill their prey. But then over time, evolution takes it, snake became smaller, so they didn't have the same strength they did back in the old days to squeeze and kill their prey. They need to develop a new method. Unlike lions and wolf and other predators, they aren't able to kill their prey easily using brute strength, so they have to rely on venom. Venom is an evolutionary trait that poisons the target. When the organism gets poisoned, it occurs the same thing that happens like lethal injection. First paralysis, then there's also cardiac arrest. There's a lot of enzymes in the venom that cause all sort of effect. The effect of paralysis is caused by the nervous system not working. What happens is in the venom, the enzyme will do many things. For example, like it will shut down the gates of the action potential. That will prevent any action potential from happening. Other method is at the axon terminal. What happens is the neurotransmitter will not be released because the venom will inhibit the release of the neurotransmitter. Therefore, that will also prevent action potential. And when either one of those are happening, the target will be paralyzed. Paralysis can also prevent other systems from not working. For example, like the lungs, so there's no breathing, or the heart, so there's no circulation, and both of those will cause death in the organism. The method you see on TV where if a person gets bite, you should suck out the venom, that's not very effective method. It's only on TV, it's just for show. The only best method is you have to rush the person to the hospital as soon as possible and get anti-venom. The first step is to extract venom from the snakes, just like you see in the movie. Next, they'll take a small portion of that venom and inject it into a large animal like sheep or horse. Those animals, their body immune system will start produce immunity against the venom. Then those immunity will be extracted from the animal and used as Next up is water intoxication. Drinking water is good for you. However, drinking it too fast and too much is bad for you and can cause death. Yeah, believe it or not, you can actually die from drinking too much water too fast. There was actually two incidents that I heard of. One was at a festival and the other one was at a radio station. Both have contests for prizes, and the contest was really simple. Whoever drank the most water under a certain amount of time will be the winner. In both cases, two women died because they drank water too fast and too much. What happens is when you drink water too much and too fast, it's going to cause your body to dilute. The dilution will cause the concentration of your body to be less, for example, like the sodium and potassium. So when the concentration is less, very few of them will be able to go across the channel. It has the same effect as if the gate were not working. So too much or too little of something can be bad. So for example, when sodium is too diluted, even though the gate channel are open, there wouldn't be that many sodium to go across the membrane, and so therefore no action potential, and as we learn how that can lead to death.